Hey, it's Grant Fritchey. Welcome to the next connector. I'm here at PASS Summit 2018. We're very excited about having our new session. Everything's ready to go. People are here. Events are happening. Stuff's going on. Now, if you can't make it, I'm sorry, it's a shame, but go to pass.org and you can watch PASS TV to at least take part in some of the events going on today. If you're here and you're attending, make sure you check out tips by Bob Ward, Bob Pusateri, and Angela Tidwell in the Community Spotlight. Now, voting opens today. Now, voting is really important. It's a major part of how we move this community forward. Decisions we make, people on the board, seriously affect the way we do everything that we do. So voting is extremely important. Please take part. You're getting email, and just follow the instructions there. There's a link, and it'll walk you through everything else to do. When you get that email, please make sure you vote. Now, we're here in the vendor hall. They're still setting up. It's going to be pretty noisy. We just want to let you know that in the connector this month, there's a new white paper that's put together with Redgate on how PASS did their GDPR compliance and changed the way they did deployments through DevOps. So make sure you check that out. We really want to hear from you. We've got the PASS membership survey. It's going on until November 14th. Make sure you get your entry in before that, and you have a chance to win $150. Now, we have a lot of virtual events coming up. There's the PASS Marathon Analytics. There's going to be a Developers Edition and a whole bunch of other stuff. Make sure you go by pass.org, check out, look it up, find the details, and get registered for those events. Now, I'm hoping you're going to be here this week with me at PASS Summit V20. That's right, 20 summits. And we're going to meet, get to talk, have a chance to chat, exchange information, connect, share, and learn all this week at PASS Summit. Thanks a lot. I'm Grant Fritchey.